What the fudge is up, y'all? It's your girl, Jessica. We're back here, y'all, with another mukbang. But you know what to do before we get this video started. This is a messy sandwich. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe button, all that. So let's get that done now because I have anything in my teeth. Okay. So I'm trying to be more consistent with these videos. I'm on my lunch and my boss is gone and my technicians are gone, so I could do a video. I'm sorry about the glare. You know how I guess I'll just take these off. So today we have Eriks Deli Cafe. I got the Mr. Pickles sandwich. I have to get close to my camera because yo girl can't see. So yeah, this is chicken breast. It's a hot sandwich with Swiss cheese, avocado, the works, which is like fucking, I don't know, mayo, lettuce, tomato, onion, all that stuff. And I think there's bacon in there also. So I got that, got some chips, and some mac salad. Bomb. So I don't really know what to talk about. Nothing has really happened. Oh, you know what? Let's talk about Saturday. I had this like explosive day. And well, let me just eat a little bit so we could get into this because your girl's hungry. This is a French roll also. Oh my God. That's so good. Chip. These are jalapeno chips. Gives it a little bit of heat. I also got a tea. Oh yeah. So Saturday, I was having a bad day. I was having a funky day, man. I felt like I was gonna fight someone so bad. This is so good. I can't even right now. Anyways, making a mess. So, your girl is weaning off of medication. It's a mood stabilizer because your girl has like hella mental problems, but I don't think I really have mental problems. I think it's just society and the conditioning and all the childhood trauma that I went through, which is easily not cured, but taking CMOS, different natural elixirs, ashwagandha, reishi, 5-HTP, CBT therapy and DBT, cognitive behavioral therapy, dialectical behavioral therapy, all that stuff. Being mindful, doing grounding techniques, like all of that shit helps me overcome my depression, anxiety, and PTSD, and fucking bipolar, and borderline personality disorder, and IED, intermittent explosive disorder. This is what they tell me I have, but whatever. So I'm weaning off of my medication, and it's been the first 2 days that I was down 50 milligrams of my meds. I almost killed. Not really. I probably shouldn't say that. I wasn't off the record. I wasn't going to do anything bad, but my anger was so uncontrollable. And I feel bad saying that word because I feel like they're going to like take this video down because I said that word. Anyways, my anger was so unbearable and uncontrollable. I felt like I was having an out-of-body experience. Like, I was just like, I don't want to be this angry, but I was. And so I was kind of like walking around, taking pictures of food and stuff, because your girl got like I'm working with a coffee company and helping them make content for their social media. So I'm walking around downtown and just everything is annoying me. Like, everything, people, everything. So I was having a really bad day. Like, one of the worst days that I've had in so long. I felt like I was my old self. But anyways, I overcame it. I got through the day. I'm doing mad therapy right now. Going through like childhood bullshit that I went through. Man, it's intense. But I don't know. I don't know if anyone does therapy out there. If you do, like, is it working for you? Like, do you like therapy? Are you on meds? Is it working for you? Let me know in the comments below. I really want to try to focus this channel on like mental health and addiction stuff, because that's like what I have gone through. That's like my part of my story. So yeah, I'll probably be talking a lot about that. If you don't like that, I'm sorry. And if you like just to see me eat, just turn the volume down. But I'm gonna eat this half sandwich with y'all. I'm gonna eat the other half on TikTok. I gotta share the wealth. Yeah, I don't know what else to talk about really right now, but for me, bad days come a lot less than they used to when I was out partying and drinking and putting stuff up my nose. And smoking shit that is not weed or cigarettes off of oil. I don't know. Anyways, so I used to be just really angry, and a lot of my week was based on just anger. I was always angry. Like 75% of my life was anger and 25% was happiness. And like now it's definitely flipped with being sober for, I think I'm 11 months sober, or like I'm about to hit 11 months. And hands down, that's like the longest I've ever been sober since I was like 14. I've never like just not did anything for a year. So yeah, life is changing. Days are cyclical. Life is cyclical. There's ups, there's downs, there's ups, there's downs, and that's just the way it is, right? So I'm trying to learn how to be mindful and just being where I am, living in the moment. I'm right here. I'm eating a sandwich with y'all. I got some iced tea. I got hella good chips and some mac salad. That's what's happening at this very moment. And that's all I got to worry about. That helps me. I don't know if like that will help anyone else, like just grounding yourself and meditating. So yeah, I guess I just don't want to be on meds. That's just not what I want to do with my life. I don't want to depend on a medication to help me get through the day. I don't want a band-aid on my life. Like, I want to learn how to cope. I want to learn how to cope, excuse me. Pardon the fuck out of me. Yeah, I just want to learn how to cope with life, because life is going to happen. Life happens with or without your prior consent. It's going to happen, and that's just what it is. So I'm learning to not control things and depend on the God conscious that I have within me, and know that I'm rising to my higher self. If that doesn't make any sense to you, apologies for that. Anyways, let's finish this sandwich. We're already 10 minutes in. Ooh. So good. Hell good, man. Oh. Oh, can I say happy Pride for everyone out there? It's Pride Month. Your girl's part of that community. LGBTQIA+, whatever it is. But shout out to all my bisexuals out there. Pardon the fuck out of me. Okay, end this sandwich off and then we're gonna end this video. And yeah, I don't know. I always feel like I gotta talk about shit on here, but I know people come for the burps. There's a group of you that come for the burps. There's a group of you that come for just me eating, and then there's a group of you that come for me eating and talking and updating you about my life. I think I had something in my teeth that whole time. Whatever. I don't give a fuck. Like, that's where I am right now, is like, I'm living for myself, y'all. Like, I'm finally in this place where I live for myself. I'm loving who I am. And I'm not living for anyone else. Like, if you don't like who I am as a person, that's not my shit. That's your shit. Go talk to your therapist. Go talk to someone else about it, because don't talk to me about it, because I'm living my best life right now. Eating my motherfucking sandwich. Oh no. She coming out the back end. So good. They even gave me a cookie, but I'm not a fan of cookies. I don't like cookies. I like bread. Like banana bread, muffins, cake. I don't know. Cookies are just, eh. Sugar cookies are hella good. I do like those. Let's take a bite of this mac salad. I'm very iffy with mac salad. I like only my mom's mac salad, because sometimes these places make it with Miracle Whip, and I'm like, why are you doing that? Why'd you do that? Are you team Miracle Whip or team like Best Foods Mayo or whatever the fuck it's called? Let me know in the comments below. All right, I'm kind of scared. It's a little sweet. It's not bad. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. Anyways, y'all, let me get this other video going on my TikTok, my chickadee-tack, tic-tac, talk, tick, sick, TikTok. Yeah. Pardon the fuck out of me. Anyways, y'all, if you like the video, hit that like button, leave some comments below, hit that subscribe button wherever it is. I don't know where it's at. And I'll talk to y'all next week. Obviously, y'all can tell I'm in a really good mood today. Oh, next week, I'm going to try to write something down and we'll talk about my car, because your girl, I think I told you guys about my car. Don't have no transmission. Anyways, I love y'all. I hope you guys have a great week, and we'll be back, fingers crossed, next week with another mukbang. And I love you, and thank you for jumping and jiving with your girl. Okay, bye.